I am recognized as a swan. My quiddity ferments in the night, and I release it into the rivers. I knew you then, when the only thing that could be seen were street lights' blue-white beams in a September somehow still summer nothing hurtling by on their bicycles. You, with your dark hair and pale face, standing in the autumnal mist by the flint and brass of our pumps, laughing or smiling at least. Now, where are you? What waters surround you now, and what waters will you journey to next? I'll come if only I know the way, and if I can leave this place with its murmurs and coughs, and our foreheads touch sweating and stoplights. And again, together, we'll let the ferns grow over the city, over any place where men with guns may follow us, but we'll climb trees then, and we'll let our dreams open into the stars that hang tangerine and blue and black like dabs of paint on a child's finger. And so we climbed the tree and the men with guns couldn't follow.